Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your account to Supercell ID. This essential step ensures your game progress is always safe and accessible. Supercell ID is the single, official method for saving your game, allowing you to play across various devices and easily recover your account if needed. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete, providing peace of mind for all your gaming adventures. To begin, open any Supercell game and locate the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Inside Settings, find the Supercell ID section and tap the button that says Connect or Disconnected. Select Register New Supercell ID and carefully input your preferred email address. This email will be crucial for receiving your verification code and managing your account. After entering your email, check your inbox for a message from Supercell containing a unique 6-digit verification code. Copy or remember this code, then return to your game and input it into the designated field. Once confirmed, your game account will be instantly and securely linked to your new Supercell ID. This simple step completes the connection process, safeguarding your progress. Connecting your account to Supercell ID offers numerous advantages. It provides robust protection for your game progress, ensuring it's safe even if you lose or damage your device. You can effortlessly switch between multiple game accounts on a single device and recover any lost account by simply logging in. This unified system makes managing all your Supercell games incredibly convenient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.